I didn't realize how easy to extract the oil from the avocado. If you have ripe avocados in your house that have started to spoil and with black parts, not throw more in the trash. I'll show you a way to reuse avocado to the fullest. For this tip today, I will use 2 avocados. And to start, we will cut in half and remove the seed. I'm sure you've never seen this, but you can use the extracted oil in several ways. The best of all is the way we will remove. And to start, with the help of a spoon, first I will completely remove the avocado from the peel and put in a container. I'm using 2 avocados, perfect for consumption. The ideal for this tip is only to use avocados that are already close to spoil, being unsuitable to eat, but being just a demonstration in this video. We have no problem using avocados that are good. It is important to remember that avocado is a delicacy, used abundantly in cooking, in the area of health, aesthetics, among other areas. This highlights the positives, utilities, and benefits of its oil. As soon as I remove the avocado from the skin, I will use a food processor to completely grind the avocado, as we will continue in the fire. We need to do this way. If you prefer, you can also fully mash the avocado. The differential for this oil is its use, being perfectly used for salads. Now let's put fully in a pan and turn on low heat. Ideally use a spatula to stir well at all times. This item is a powerful ally for use in diets, being rich in various vitamins. Also prevents various diseases, even diabetes and high cholesterol. Now I'm going to get a container. And with the help of a sieve, we're going to completely separate the liquid. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Bernadette Roberts from Guyana. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Doing this, we will already notice that gradually, we'll fully separate the oil. Now we can use avocado oil the way you prefer. I'm sure you've never used avocado this way. And you've never used avocado oil before. This tip is simply amazing and changed my life for the ease of making avocado oil, and especially for its benefits, because avocado oil helps protect the health of eyes, skin, and hair, in addition to strengthening immunity in the cyst, in slimming, prevent cardiovascular diseases in the cyst, in cholesterol control. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.